Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mini flat spine bookbinding. Let's get started. I started with half side of A4 papers, or you can start it with half side of little paper as well. Then I fold them in half. After that, we're going to cut them in half. The book can be as small as you want to, but for this video, I'm going to fold them and cut them again, so that I will get the length that I want. After we get the length that we want, fold them in half and we will get them ready into signature. Since the paper that I'm using, they're quite thick because it's for watercolor, so I'm going to use only 2 papers for each signature so it won't get too thick. Got out of 3 little pieces. Let's place them onto the cloth, and I normally have each of every size about 1 inch from the edge. Place them with a little space in between so we can fold them like this. we back to the paper that we did at the beginning of the video. Made a knot and then started from the outside of the first signature. When you go through it, just return it to the previous hole all the way through. Right here, we needle back in and then make a knot. After you made a knot, just needle back out through the same hole and make sure the knot is also outside. But for the second hole, we are going to stitch behind the thread below it and back up behind the thread next to it, like we basically making a loop. After that, we're gonna needle back up and then repeat this step. At the last binding hole, we are going to make a knot inside and then needle the knot back outside to the spine. After I finish binding them, I love to put something heavy on the top and put them aside for a little bit. If you don't have the mold, you can glue the spine with any paper you can find. Just in case somebody would like to add some ribbon, this is the way to add it before we glue the signature and the cover together. After gluing them, we need some pressure on the book, or you can lock them down like this.